Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group all images in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation or open your default presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I group all images in this presentation. Now you can see here are many images. Now I group this all images. Press Ctrl and also press mouse left button to select this all images. Then you can see here are show or hide format style option. Now click this show or hide format style option and click arrange. Now you can see here are group. Now simply just click this group icon. Now click outside of those images. Now you can see I group all images in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.